Muthia Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri Mutahi Kagwe na mwandiki mukaru Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri Susan Mwachache nimekinyirie mbere ya kamitii ya mbunge igii Ugima wa Mwiri mataririe uria kigina gia COVID-19 kihuthikite. Mutahi ni akorire na ihinda iritu ria gutariria uria kigina giki kihuthikite indi akiuga ministry yamukirite gicunji gia 15 hari igana gia kigina gia COVID-19 kigina kiria ministry gitariria na kinyi uria kirekereirio.
It has been allocated by the treasury and directly to the county government treasuries. Now, on the ones that we ourselves disburse, then it is clear and it is conditional. It has got to be done in a certain manner and it has got to be done in a certain way. And we share all this with the treasury, because by the end of the day, the treasury is the one that carries out the audits.
We have not disbursed any COVID-related funds that are beyond what I have talked about. The almost 750 million and another 1.5 billion for testing kits, and the about 300 million for the masks, and now maybe another additional 100 million. And all this because they are World Bank funds follow a very strict procedure.
Mwandiki mukaru Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri Susan Mwachache akihithuria thibitari mugwanja ira ni hamwe na thibitari ya Coast General, thibitari ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, thibitari ya Kitui hamwe na igii ni ciamukirire muigana wa shiringi bilioni 3.
And the budget funded from GOK own revenues and external, which includes funds from GOK and external funding out of the funds that were disbursed by the National Treasury to various state agencies for COVID-19 emergency response. The funds received were disbursed to counties, to several state corporations within the ministry, to the national referral hospitals.
Mutahi ni oriria taririe kana ni mathuri magauria kigina kirahuthika riria marikia gukirekereria, akiuga ni marumagirira indi ni matungagwo ni mathina kiodorita. Oho Mutahi ni ugite ni maigite keheri-ini kigina gia guteithiriria Kenya ria matari na uhoti na turebeko twa kuhumbira kanua na maniuru. Ni thutha wa kiuria ni ki ministry reka gutigirira o Kenya othe mari na turebeko mari muingi-ini.
We are going to supply people who are needy. Let's make it clear. A jobless person, a person who really can't afford to buy a mask, are the people we are going to give masks to. Not all Kenyans.
Get a lot of information outside there. It's even discouraging.
Iripotera Kameme TV, retora kwani Wajiro wa Foro.